are going to be true. You're going to win, or the banks are going to win off of you, and they're going to thank you and give the sucker a sucker every time you walk out of the bank, and they're going to smile at you. Okay. Now, what I love about our trade community is I believe entirely in the law of association. Who you associate with, you become like. If you're around successful people, you're next in line. If you're around broke people, you're next in line, or you're already there. Okay. We have a group of people who are all focused on helping everyone win. There's zero benefit to someone winning by themselves in this market. Zero benefit unless they're just pure out selfish. And I'll tell you that's not what our culture is like here. We're a very generous culture, and we're all about seeing and empowering other people, helping other people win, because that's what we brag about. We have over 20,000 students winning with us right now in the middle of a chaotic moment on our planet. While people are having fear, while people are having anxiety and depression and freaking out, we are creating something beautiful. Because the same way that something bad can be bad is the same way that you can turn something bad into good. You just got to know what to do. You think the wealthy people are freaking out right now while all this is going on? No. While everybody else is panicking, they're getting rich because they see where the markets are going and they're capitalizing off of it. And I want to encourage you right now, for $99, you too can begin this process of learning and growing in the largest financial market in the world. You're getting our trading education, our trade alerts, our live sessions, our market forecast, our 2-week syllabus, our 20 pips and dip strategy, and I'm about to show you a bonus of what you're going to get as well. Comment bonus right now if you want to see the bonus. So for $99, think about how much college is. Think about how much everything is that we pay for all the time. Your cell phone bill, for God's sake. And for $99, we're learning the skill set of the largest financial market in the world our money's already profiting in. This is ridiculous how affordable this is. I've spent so much money and time learning the skill set. And then I found a platform like Tradera where for $99, not only can I have more success in this market, but I can empower and help thousands of people all across the world like yourself right now that may know nothing about trading, how to create success for $99. I said, this is the one. The results are here, the culture's here, and this is a great place for you to experience freedom as well. Now look at this. This is the bonus that you're going to get for free for joining right now. Listen to me. What this indicator does, we took our 20 pips and dip strategy and turned it into a template, which literally tells you when to buy and when to sell. I want you to look over to the left of the screen. You'll see a couple things. You'll see a blue line going all the way throughout the screen. That's the 50 moving average. You may know nothing about that. You're going to learn about it in the academy. You're going to learn about it on our live sessions. All right. You see where it says sell at the top. In red, it says sell. You see how when it closed below that blue line, the drop that happened? Look over here from your left, moving down to the middle of the screen where it says 1465. It told you when to sell. You got into the market. Once it confirmed, we'll teach you the confirmations once you're a part of our organization and in this team. And at that point, look at the move down. Now let's go over to the right above 1479.12. It's telling you to buy. Once it confirmed the buy, look at the move up. It's so powerful. This template, I can teach a first grader how to utilize it. Is the trade or is the candle above or below the blue line? Does it say buy or sell? And with our confirmations that we have that we'll teach you as soon as you get started with us, this is going to be something you're going to get as a bonus for free. We're not upcharging you to get this. And I'll tell you this, we have thousands upon thousands of people on our team who are absolutely in love with this. People that have just joined their first week, being able to make money and understand what they're doing. This is so powerful. Now you have several options. Number one, you can just be a client for $99, utilize the services and be happy. Or you can get the membership for free every month after you pay your initial $99. Now check this out. This is how that happens. If you share this platform with 3 people, you get started for $99, you love the results that you have, you see the value in it, and you see that this could also help other people. At that point, you share it with 3 people, they sign up. Now your $99 membership moving forward is now waived and you're not paying monthly for it. So you can pay the $99 just as a client, not tell anybody. Your second choice is you can get started. You can say, hey, I see the value in this. I'm making money with this. At that point, it's selfish for me not to share something that's helping me too, especially at this price point. So now you share it with 3 people, your membership is free. You also have the ability to get started once you get your 3 people. Then you can upgrade to an IBO. This is where you can get paid and compensated every single week. You can either pay for it and be a client, get a free membership, right? As the rank of a founder, you referred 3 people, or you can get paid every single week. The choice is yours. All right. Now look at this. I want you to know right now, multiplying your money is not optional. You must learn this skill set. The second thing that's important is having residual income. On top of the money you're multiplying, on top of whatever you're making, or maybe you're not making right now, is one of the strongest forms of income you could ever have. Albert Einstein called it the 8th wonder of the world, multiplying your money, compounded interest. I'm here to say residual income is the 9th wonder of the world. And if you put both of those together, you can really experience and achieve freedom. Now look at this. Look at where it says personal referrals. To hit the first rank of founder, you personally referred 3 people that started as a client for $99. Look from founder to legend, the personal stay the same. One thing that I love about this is designed uniquely to help every single person either get a free membership or get paid. Okay, so once you get your 3, 4, 5 people, whatever, all you need is 3. Then at that point, anybody else that you get started because they like the success that they see you having, at that point, now you can give out the links of other people that you signed up, which is helping them hit these ranks. Now look at the numbers just for a second. Where it says team members, when you get 3, you're a founder. When your team grows to 10, how many personals did you get? 3. When your team grows to 10 people, now that's $125 weekly that you're paid out, $500 a month in additional residual income. Moving forward to 25 people, that's $1,000 a month, $250 a week. How many personals did you get? 3 is all that was required. Moving forward to 75 people, that's $500 a week, $2,000 a month in residual income. Type yes in the comment section right now if you could use an additional $500 to $2,000 a month in residual income, and you're paid every single week for work that you already did or work that you and your team accomplished and leveraged together. Imagine if jobs kept paying you for the same time you put in 5 years ago, last month. But no, you get paid for your time that's over. With this, you can create something where you get paid over and over and over again every single week based off work that you already did. This is working smarter, guys. The average IBO in our company makes anywhere from $500 to $2,000 in a month, and it moves up from there to the rank of Duke or Duchess. A team of 250, that's $5,000 a month, $1,250 a week. It goes up to Prince or Princess. That's $2,500 a week, $10,000 a month for a team of 500 people. How many personals were you required to get? Only 3. And you can see that it goes up to $20,000 a month, $50,000 a month, and $100,000 a month. And you can see the numbers that you need in order to achieve that. But I'm here to talk to you not about the top ranks. If you never start here, you'll never get there. So it's important that you guys understand. People need this right now. This is why we're sharing this. You don't know how to multiply your money. This is why we're encouraging you to go ahead and get started today. Zig Ziglar said, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Guys, I don't know anything about Forex trading. Amazing. This is why you need to learn. I've never marketed anything online. I don't know if I can do it. Amazing. This is why you need to learn. You're around successful traders and marketers, and you can choose what you want to do. You just want to multiply your money? Multiply your money. You want to also create residual income? I think that's the smartest thing you could do. Now you just added 2 strong sources of income, compound interest and residual income. It doesn't get much better than that. So I want to encourage right now, whoever invited you to this call, that you get back with them and let them know that you're ready to plug in. Guys, for $99, you cannot afford to let this pass you by, okay? This is a very special time in history where a lot of people are either going to get poor or they're going to get rich. And what you know and what you do will determine the outcome of that, okay? And I want to let you know that there's not a stronger place that you could grow. There's not a stronger place that you could get value and education and be a part of an amazing team for $99. Do not let this moment pass you by, okay? So whoever invited you to this call, I want to encourage you to get back with them right now. Go ahead and get plugged in. Get access to everything that you saw with our trading education, our trade alerts, the live sessions, the forecast, everything that we have, the big bonus that you're getting access to with the indicator. Go ahead and get started right now, and let's win all week long. Let's turn the situation that seems so terrible right now in the economy, and let's make it a beautiful thing. While people are freaking out, we have peace because we know how to win off the ups and the downs of the market. And you told me at the beginning of the call, if someone's going to make money off of your money, should it be you or the bank? And what you do right now will decide the real outcome of that, whether it's the bank or whether it's you. Get back right now to whoever invited you to this call. I want you to get plugged in. I look forward to being on the live sessions with you, training you how to achieve success in this market and showing you how simple it is. Get back right now and whoever invited you